Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Hilda Solis, Los Angeles County Supervisor for the 1st District. Welcome to today's Regional Contractor Development and Bonding Program Virtual Outreach Workshop. As you all know, the past couple of years have been challenging for all of our communities. Our small businesses and entrepreneurs have felt the impact of the pandemic particularly hard. Many had to close during the pandemic, and some, unfortunately, did not or have not reopened. We're emerging from a global pandemic that has profoundly impacted our lives and that of our family, friends, and community. We hope to one day soon organize in-person workshops safely. Until then, we'll continue to keep safe and provide you with a virtual event like this afternoon's outreach workshop. Today, I am proud to present the Regional Contractor Development and Bonding Program and the services, benefits, and opportunities it provides. I'm proud to say that my motion that was unanimously approved by the County Board of Supervisors helped launch this assistance program and resource at the county. Today, you will learn the fundamentals of bonding and discover why it is necessary for public works projects and the resources available through this program. The Regional Contractor Development and Bonding Program is designed to expand your capacity as contractors and encourage your participation in construction projects throughout Los Angeles County and with Metro. This program is administered by a small, diverse business like yours, Merriwether and Williams. Merriwether and Williams understands your issues firsthand. This is a great opportunity for you to learn about and take advantage of the valuable resources available to you at no cost to your business. As elected officials, we fight hard to get this type of program implemented and help licensed contractors benefit from public contracting opportunities. As you know, working with public agencies is challenging, but this program is here to help contractors break through the barriers. The County of Los Angeles and Metro are in the midst of a major multi-billion-dollar construction boom, embarking on the most ambitious infrastructure expansion program in the country. Ultimately, Measure M will generate $120 billion to complete dozens of major infrastructure projects over the next 40 years. With the recovery effort, we have proposed an $8 billion budget this fiscal year with almost $3 billion allocated to transit infrastructure and highway improvements. And since we are the hosts of the 2028 Olympics, there will be even more focus on developing critical projects in the near term. Now is the time for you to get involved and grow your business. Despite these historic opportunities, there are still barriers to maximize participation from companies like yours. To reduce these obstacles to small and diverse contractors, the County of Los Angeles and Metro implemented the regional program you will hear about today. We hope today's workshop will help you maximize your potential because we are counting on you to play a critical role in the economic growth of our region. Thank you for your participation today.
So here are what we call the 4 pillars of the Regional Contractor Development and Bonding Program. So it's important to know that this is not a generalized program. We don't have this one-size-fits-all approach. We know each of you are individual businesses in a unique place of the life cycle of your business with unique opportunities and unique challenges that you may need to overcome to realize those opportunities.
So what we want to do is make sure we open the doors for small business participation. We want to exceed that. And so what we want to do is make sure small businesses know who we are. We're your friends on the inside. Of course, we advocate for small businesses, but we also help you navigate Metro's procurement system. Why get certified? In order for us to report to the FTA and even to our board, we want to make sure we are helping bona fide, authentic, small and disadvantaged businesses participate on our contracts. And so how do you get involved with our outreach and information? Metro Connect. metro.net/connect.
ISD has a portfolio, ISD contracts under my shop anyway, has a portfolio of over 500 different contracts totaling over $550 million annually. So there's a lot of open contracting opportunities here. The LA County procurement process, we have two processes. One, which is purchasing for those tangible goods and supplies, and then two, which is service contracts. And so while LA County is decentralized, each department manages its own solicitations. However, ISD, my department, acquires a lot of services on behalf of its 38 different departments. So in order to do business with the county, very similar to Metro, you have to register. So this is information on how to register as a vendor to do business with the county.
I'm William Jackson, and I'm the founder and president of Global Electric. And we are a electrical C10, C7 contractor, and we focus primarily on transit projects. Like most small contractors, it was a bit of a tough start. You're trying to figure out, how do you bid some of these large projects? How do you eat an elephant? So it was a little challenging at first, trying to figure out how to get the bids put together, all the documentation that was required, and really how to get a price that you could stand behind. You may bid a project today that may not happen for a year or even 2 years. And that's kind of what we ran into on the projects that Merriwether and Williams helped Global with recently. And I must say, we've taken advantage of pretty much every program that they've mentioned today. And frankly, a lot of times you think these programs are just lip service, but I'm here to tell you that these programs are real and they work.